Alright, so I'm up from my nap and I'm about to go to this shop that's been doing mostly everything for me lately. He told me just bring it in and he'll put it on for me, and I think I'm gonna get the front windshield tinted. Maybe 20% or 35. I don't know. About to start it up for y'all and hit the road. I just started up before, but I cut it off. I said I'm gonna start it up again. If you're an OCD person and you like to keep your car clean, you always get in. But first, you knock your feet and then you twist around and get in. Oh yeah, and while I'm there, more than likely, I'm gonna have him to take the bumper guards off. Listen, I know that they're supposed to come out. They're only there for shipping or whatever. But if you tell me to do something, I'm gonna do the opposite. Like, I don't like being told what to do with my stuff. Like, if I want to keep it on for 30 years, it's gonna stay on for 30 years. It's my car. And I need to get gas. I like to treat a half a tank as if it's E. Look at my other baby. $34 from a half a tank. Gas is $1.95 here? Well, $1.99. Usually, whenever I first got the car, it was $3.03, $3.05, but it take me $30 to fill up my other car, but I knew this when I was getting this car. So I'm already at the shop. I already put my car in. This is the waiting area. I just came in here because they got music out there playing. On the wall, they got the different views of tint. I don't know what percent that is. And this right here is a good thing. That's what 5% look like. That's what 15 look like. But yeah, he got a nice weight in there. It's called Wicker Tint. He do audio, lights, and other things.
Days. I was getting ready to count you out. I don't see 1,200 not needing 2 tires, knowing what tires cost. But how much? How much?
Might as well. the next day, but somehow I lost footage of the windshield after it was tinted. But this is in the daytime. The sunroof is back. course, I'm under shade, but that's 35%. And the side windows is 15.